Hi! Ayan, there you go. So, eto na yung ating finished products. Ayan, as you can see, diba, super red siya to the max. Ganyan, so, ganyan ang mangyayari after you're having the beautiful micro needling facial. Ayan. Yung huli na nilagay nila, yung ang sarap-sarap, o so daily, yung malamig siya na inilagay sa face nyo. As you can see in my video. So, that's the procedure, how she do it for my facial for today. Thank you, Glamour Clinic. Ayan. So, punta lang kayo dito kay RG. Ayan. So, you will make, you will feel beautiful and she gonna make you pretty. Ayan siya. Ayan. Thank you, RG. Thank you, Glamour Clinic. Andefale, this facial clinic. Bye. Have a good day, everyone. I'm here today, guys, at RG's Glamour Clinic. Yeah. If you want to do this facial microneedling, so you can just come here, located at Medines. You can give her a call as well. Ayan, as you can see. So daily. It's like also massaging your face. We need this to look younger.